How to access newsletter on DataCamp. Are guys facing issues to access newsletter on DataCamp application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To access the DataCamp newsletter, first of all open DataCamp app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for settings. Tap on settings. After you click on settings, you'll be forwarded to this option. Just simply select the second option, email preferences. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options. Here you will find the option to manage a newsletter subscription. Make sure the newsletter toggle is turned on so you can receive DataCamp latest version. Just simply toggle this option. If you ever miss one, simply check the email account linked to DataCamp and search for DataCamp newsletter. You can also re-enable it anytime if you unsubscribe before. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna access newsletter on DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.